Hello, starting it a store of I'm years old grills, cheese boards, a cheats occupied a fritz clad or Titanic passenger in glide. She was accompanied by Carl and a mother Ruth DeWitt Booker as a planned to marry a what equal and financial problems. Rosen don't look in a for a she flees pressured she tried to commit suicide. A was a young man named Jack Danson would belong to a middle class of parents and obtained a ticket at a last moment. Managed to convince a no hood Umber Air and finally result air summer alert officer arrived to Rose Greens a nice die a talk and with was tal a tall air what a was doing portrait of woman a invite with to dinner. She was minutes before it. A blutter took car what a at good tell car. A nice are call to in what a would not have and conversation with Hag. A mother all white went to live in walls. Hag looked it and was going to watch its back. A one timid. Cannot root at into right day night with a airs of it L on a neck at call one give it before it a decided to escape a was chan to hey courage and hey decided to make love it and what on and observe alarms of itself in it there are 20 meters more for a Titanic a ran and bay toward of roads what but a strong impact a cheese clad cabin bent to float and being punit on fleets hackett womer a ken watts mapior will did el finit chingit because chin chief those note and got cheats to rescue a reed crane and passery with air el what loot air of a cheap blank jack lit a bleed believed a sang mine to let could hack bog a cup from air to there. Windrows boat begins to slow the same seeds of both a young one decide to run to all of the titanic courage. Realize what I was not called plan. She till in what a call like if air mount a coat on boots a passenger three to reach a stair jack and rose arrive and realize its path of chief y plats in complete vertical position. Su el Strut dogs knob of we wet and oceans leave bears to along a maggot to meet Rose a few minutes later. Severe plungers panning as a float in the icy water of the Atlantic Ocean, with no chance of a result leave for both Air Force yacht as airhead and with carried offer despide a fact a box bailey a box wall on fire el on boat was redbone dot nor a util urs lar en hack as did it of hypothermia leak mods passenger funatel rose managets to say coaching I timid and when she are a board arrived no perform emotionally sangi and give by to hack before reals is core in a depth of sand. And there Rose Revan was in seas of split with fight to get on board maggot to recruit for water, including als took a book minute alpha a result when a late of the service of the chirep to the red air a almost right in cal and blue violet may is and present time mentionic what is a last time a word see ham wall continue sweetie in rose discover in art of seed on a poker on fact second latter way an official and cast in while I studied in Mount War air and con are three to theirs all roys it sit in with air years clothes and series of photograph on air a youth after Titanic started. Second later in show en could she become a reclaimed ocean liner as what Strad on Maide, Boyan and Royce is she enteric its courage until in reach a star of cloth were received with high altitude did in the sting incluido Jack. What is your layer of movie? What is real? What a cheap sting and what was a loveness true? Two blue side a love each other and could not pencil a die so mine of stars daily and live did not let a two book. What did flee? Maker you flee? A flee my back but so many dick war as in loven I what a story thinking store walls in Umbridge, Mariette and two of Benig. Would thou movies relate to academic programs youth are studying? Every I too may observe from point of view as industrial engineer, I'll say I propose solution to two problems what to serve a client able to supervise logistics and transport progress as well as interact with other players and be able to promote development with each and profit responsibility. Another a for mobile could be actualized its altered and inch of rows finish the story and summarize I rinse to phrase a party is ingresset of poets. Leads chairs for our grandmother and commerce across broad lobes in the think a discussion on which we look at Titanic tragedy. Meanwhile, Ross approach a stir of what with internation of through a air of a ocean over his granddaughter a is chin score barrier drink white a fleet in darker leads and broke on a air later lies war rose with imposition of hail from a star. A reset one to conviction to keep it but a latter refer for as roads at low with touch even on charts punts what book is tempe to it. Royce final conveys its to let through a dynamic and ocean under a drum for that guards on a grid with come to what was going on. Broads ends un law I ex leads if each one dance. Royce seems when she we a and Rose and yes. Watch a show star. A front a scale resuming what a final version of Finn Rose Falls at oir this with in middle in photography?